North of Leowin. We're going to do that right now because I think that that is going to be just so essential to everything we do here. It's going to save us so much time. In a good way. We're not going to sit here and just do keys for hours. It's northeast of Leowin, so it's down here. Oh, I already found it. Boom. Okay. Shadowmere. Oh, I missed you. I haven't seen you in a minute. So I've been in the arena for a while, but we're good. Let's approach.
Night among strangers. Secrets in the dark. Nocturnal is here. But my eye is blind and proud, stolen from its shrine and hid in dark waters. To steal from a god is most unwise. In Leowin, two Argonians think themselves secret, but the eye has seen them.
Okay.
Find these thieves in the city that spans the waters.
Yep.
Learn where they hide my eye.
Got you covered.
Retrieve the Eye of Nocturnal, mortal, and return it to me, and I shall look favorably upon you.
I like that. I'll find your eyeball. You'll look favorably upon me. And we'll all be feeling good. Tell me where to go.
You have been set on.
Oh, almost killed you.
You have been set on.
What? You guys aren't going to help me?
You have been set on a path.
I just wanted some health. Some help. Just a little bit of slap and pickle. Oh, let's go. Where are we? I don't know where to go. And do I have to?
What is it?
What is it, citizen? At least this music is fire. Like, holy cow. Okay. Let's, dang, these people are rich. Never knows how big these houses were. Hi.
Please, help me.
Oh, what did I walk into?
These stupid scum. Find.
What the heck did I... That... Okay. I will talk to you later. Is it weird to break into someone's house just to ask them to help me? Balls. This won't be a problem in the future. This won't be a problem in the future. Oh, I forgot I'm trespassing. But I am looking to just wake this person up. Hello, hello. Here, let's feed, while we're at it. And then we'll wake him up and talk to him. Hello.
For the love of Azura, what can I...
Do you not know anything?
Take care. What can I do? Brodress has been... You too. What?
Do you know anything?
I was walking.
Oh, wait.
So every time I pass by
That's fine.
Farewell.
I'll get out of your house now. Clearly don't have anything for me. You know what? I just fed, so let's wait till the morning. Why are we breaking into people's house, waking them up, and then expecting them to be all receptive? That's just not how things work. I just fed. I just fed. This means... No. No. Are you kidding me? I just fed. Oh, yes, you are. That's clutch. It's like 10 in the morning. Why are you sleeping? Not gonna lie, kind of annoying. But dang, someone's gotta help me.
Weebum-Na and Bajin have been bragging about some big score.
That's my dude.
They
Oh,
claim it's a valuable jewel.
give me them.
She wasn't a bad sort until she...
I will kill them both.
Good day.
It is absolutely worth it to kill them if it means that I get to never consider lockpicks anymore. Here, let's heal. They already know how the Dark Brotherhood rolls. And hero of the Gladiator Champion. Who do they think I are?
Morning. I'm Bijin. I'm a hunter and Weebum-Na's partner. I hope he didn't bother you about the...
Yep.
Why would you ask? I've never heard of it.
Oh,
No
get
idea
the
what
fuck
you're
outta
talking
here.
about. And...
Huh.
Yes. Goodbye.
Fresh game. Rats. Hate them, everyone. Gonna hunt them down and chop them all to tiny bits. Oh, did I say that out loud? Excuse me. I
No, give me it.
never heard of the thing.
So what does this have to say about the quest?
But what if the trolls eat it?
Are you gonna just talk right in front of me?
Shh, there's someone here. Wait until they leave.
I was sitting there, I wasn't ready for that.
But what if the trolls eat it?
Trolls
Here we go.
don't like water. Trolls don't swim.
Boom.
The eye is perfectly safe in Tidewater Cave. So relax.
Hello.
What? Why?
Uh,
You two.
I'm absolutely gonna take that now. They done goofed. Oh, that's that's an ugly spot. Here we go to Deep Scorn Hollow. Oh, I'm not actually gonna do that mission. I just wanted to spawn here. Maybe that's something we do for another time. But for now, we are doing the Thieves Guild. And then we're going to get this Eye of Nocturnal. And then we're going to go get that. And we're going to be able to do the Thieves Guild lickety split simple. Hello, Mr. Deer. Whoa. Were them antlers yellow? What kind of black magic is that? Uh-oh. What the heck is that? Come on, horsey. Don't go fight that thing. I mean, they already know that we're here, so let's just run. There's no way any of them can get into swimming. And we can make this incredibly quick. Dwarven boots. Whoa. Got it. See you later. Ooh, boy. Oh, no. Shoot, shoot, shoot. What is... What was that? Here, we can do a... Well, I only have 60 seconds to do it. But we know the route. We're not worried about running into anyone. We just have to... You don't know what hit you. I wonder why they made this a level 10 quest. Look at all this. Oh no, that'd make me visible? Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. It did make me visible, but that's okay, because I got what I needed to out of that. We got far enough away. Let me on. Shadowmere, no. Yeah, go, go, go. We're gonna run. We do not stand a chance against those ogres. Holy cow, they're strong. Oh man. Like, I know we're the arena champion and all, and you know, more power to us, but you know, our goal is not fighting in there. No. We want to go here. We want to go here, get our thing, go home, doctor everyone, call it good. But you're a great horse. Remember when you killed the bad guys in the Black Hand? I do. Pepperidge Farms remembers. There you go.
My eye is returned, and I
All
once
hail.
again see into the darkness that is your world.
All hail, boss lady.
We mock the thieves, for bitter is their loss. You, mortal, may take this. It shall open the secrets of dark places for you.
I'm into it. The skeleton key. Let's go. Plus, you guys probably love me now.
Blessed are you.
Thank you.
I tried the chapels. They're a waste of time. Keep the key.
Blessed are...
Oh, is that all you have to say?
Keep the key safe.
It's my key. Okay, now we're ready to... Now the Thieves Guild actually begins. That was like... I will label that as the preamble. The first mission. The second mission. Well, no, the first mission, fencing, and then getting the shrine. We are now prepped for success.